आप चाहे जितनी बड़ी सेंचुरी मारो, आपको अगला गेम ज़ीरो से शुरू करना है। मुझे तो बहुत ख़राब लग रहा था। मुझे लगा कि इसको मार दो तो ही अच्छा है। आपके एयरपोर्ट पे पीपल हैव कंफ्यूज्ड अ लॉट ऑफ आवर कास्ट टू बी रियल कस्टम ऑफिसर्स एंड वेरी वार्म, very loving, and so happy that we all have got a chance to work with him.
हाय अनुराग, वेलकम टू मिर्ची।
Thank you.
कैसे हो आप?
Very good.
आई हैव टू से मतलब ये मैं आपको पहले भी बता रहा था, द फर्स्ट फ्रेम जहाँ से आपकी एंट्री हुई तस्करी में, मैं बहुत डिटेल में जाऊँगा बट एज अ फैन मैं आपको बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आपने मतलब आई हैव नो वर्ड्स, जो आपका परफॉर्मेंस था, द कैरेक्टर, एक बार ज़ोरदार ताले हो जाए आपके लिए एंड फॉर द होल टीम। मैं सच्ची बता रहा हूँ,
Actually, it is the team. It is the team.
आई वॉज देयर फॉर इमरान हाशमी सर, ठीक है, क्योंकि होता है कि ना एक पोस्टर्स देखते हैं कि हाँ इमरान हाशमी सर की सीरीज़ है, बट जब शो स्टार्ट हुआ,
I'll stop you here again. You have to be there for him.
कैसी रही ये जर्नी तस्करी? मतलब इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है, हाउ वाज इट?
Right from the, getting to know the narrative and the script, it has been intriguing. First of all, the very fact that you're working with Neeraj Pandey sir, and the kind of work that he does, the kind of honesty that he has, that's commendable. And as an actor, you would always, आप चाहते हैं कि आप ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट का पार्ट बने, एक ऐसी कहानी का आप पार्ट बने where you can explore your abilities as an actor. So it was quite a quite a thing for me because I have not attempted that, and I was won't say that I was not very sure of how it is going to be received, but I was sure of the fact that this particular arc in the journey has got a potential to maximize yourself, maximize your inherent ability to act and explore a new dimension and present it to the people. And I really want to thank the whole team. Raghav sir is another director on the series, and Neeraj sir, he's been, and the entire team and the cast. So it is rewarding, and love the fact that people are loving it, and truly blessed and grateful.
तो आपके पास जब भी कैरेक्टर आया, सो क्या रिएक्शन था?
उसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा है. The dimension of the layers and the way you can explore yourself and enjoy doing it, उसका impact और उसका the traction of it is far more than playing a grey shade or a negative shade or a positive shade for that matter.
कैरेक्टर के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें करनी पड़ी? रिसर्च, एनीथिंग?
A lot of things were provided in the script.
Okay.
And a lot of instructions were already there how to do it. When you read a screenplay like this, you are always you're benefited with the fact कि आपको एक set road map मिलता है how to go about it, and I'm quite impressed with the fact, because it's the first time that I was working with Neeraj sir, and quite impressed with the fact the detailing that was done. But having said that, I also feel that every actor brings something of his own to the table, and something of his own to the script, and उसके लिए जितना थोड़ा मोड़ा जानता हूँ उसके हिसाब से अपना किया.
Okay.
And my whole intention was to impress the script, कि ये script impress हो जाए, आप अपना काम कर लो ठीक ठाक. Then leave it to people.
I think I have to say, जो आपने बखूबी से किया है द कैरेक्टर, मतलब अभी भी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि इंटरोगेशन होने वाला है, और ये सेटअप भी वैसा है. और अभी भी आपका वो कैरेक्टर, मुझे वो कैरेक्टर ही दिख रहा है अभी. आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट.
अगर मैं चश्मा पहन लूँ तो आप समझ लीजिए फिर क्या होगा.
चश्मा है आपके पास?
ये वाला चश्मा नहीं, आप आई एम नॉट कैरिंग इट.
तो वही मुझे इंटरोगेशन ही लग रहा है. आई फील कि वही कैरेक्टर अभी सामने बैठे है. आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक अभी रिसेंटली मैंने परसों ही खत्म किया, मतलब विद इन 2 days द शो. सो आई थिंक अभी भी वो दिमाग में मेरे वो शो चल रहा है. बट नीरज पांडे सर की आपने बात की, वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर्स, उतनी जिनकी भी फिल्म है, बेबी, स्पेशल 26, बीइंग अ फैन, तो आपने उनके पहले के सब ये फॉलो किए थे मूवीज?
तो मैंने वेंसडे देखा था, और बाकी वर्क्स आई हैव आल्सो वॉच्ड इट, एंड आई हैड got a chance like about many years back to meet him also. So we all are familiar with the kind of work that he does.
Yeah.
And why would you want to work with a director like that? And he's magnificent. His crew is magnificent. Everybody at Friday Filmworks is honest to the bone, and they know their job, and it's a delight as an actor to work with them.
Yeah, as an actor, कुछ नई चीज़ जो आपको सीखने मिली after तस्करी?
I feel that if you are true to your heart as an actor, if you are true to how you can surrender yourself as an actor to the script and to the want and to the essence of a particular story, and let yourself flow with it, then new things can emerge out of it, right? And new possibilities, as I said, वो आप एक नया horizon आपके सामने आ जाता है, where you can go and walk that. And why I'm saying this again is that this is again the first time that it is happening. And when I was playing it, I felt कि क्या मुझे तो बहुत ख़राब लग रहा था. मुझे लगा कि इसको मार दो तो ही अच्छा है, But that's not what has happened, and people have loved him, and people are loving him for the way he is.
Yeah.
और ये भी एक बड़ी बात है कि people have the audience has matured enough to understand the intricacies of a screenplay.
Yeah.
Matured that much, and also accept the story as it is, and they cannot be lured with popular ideas of they are able to differentiate now, what they want and what they do not want, and at the same time cinema is cinema, and we all are maintaining its sanctity, and we all are delivering to the best of our abilities.
इमरान हाशमी फैंस, क्योंकि मैं उनको 2 बार मिला हूँ, इमरान सर को मैं 2 बार मिला, इंटरव्यूड हिम 2 times, एंड जितना मैंने उनको जाना है कि वो स्टेट टू स्टेट कट टू कट आएंगे, इंटरव्यू देंगे, कट टू कट जो काम है अच्छे से करेंगे, एंड देन ही विल गो, एटलीस्ट जो मैंने देखा इन दिस इंटरव्यू सेटअप. बट ऑन सेट कैसे था?
Very, very warm, very, very loving, and so happy that we all have got a chance to work with him, and he's a delight. He gives his best, and when we are working with actors, when we are working on a set, then the whole atmosphere has to be very, very, very warm, where you can, where you can synergize with the other person. And बहुत सारे ऐसे sequences हैं series में where as a team, we all are delivering some very intense scenes, and at that very point in time, we all have to contribute as a collective team, and उस समय आपको एक अलग sensitivity की ज़रूरत पड़ती है as an actor, where you are reciprocating and responding to each other, and that is very, very beautiful, because all Amrita and Nandish and Imran sir, and we all have had a great time, and it was enjoyable, and he's a wonderful, wonderful man and a very great actor.
Yeah. On set को interesting story या not story but एक interesting चीज़ जो इस शो के फैंस को पता होनी चाहिए, anything, आपका सीन, कोई भी सीन.
Scenes तो ये बहुत सारे हुए हैं कि आपके एयरपोर्ट पे people have confused a lot of our cast to be real custom officers and ACPs, and that's the whole fun of it.
आपके साथ कोई incident ऐसे on set?
नहीं, ऐसा incident on set तो नहीं हुआ, but yeah, on the airport things have happened where people just get chuckled, and when they see an actor walking and doing his job, checking कर रहा है, so people because a lot of people know and a lot of people do not know, right? So it was fun.
I think as an audience मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा, and अब please convey करना है, this is to you and the whole team, कि I think real location पे shoot हुआ है, airport पे I think shoot हुआ है, तो I think वो बहुत important है for the story to connect to the audience, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. यही अगर एक set होता तो I think जो तस्करी का एक backbone है कि ये सब सच लगता है actually.
Right.
I think that's very important कि वो actual set पे shoot हो.
Yes, yeah, it absolutely. We have the production has really gone ahead with getting the locations and doing live shoots, and a lot of it has gone. Even the scenes from Milan, they all are shot in live locations, and tremendous effort has gone to get all of that, and that adds to the value of the series, and that adds honesty, and that adds reality, and you can connect more as an audience instead of just doing it on a set.
Yeah. मैं आपका इंस्टाग्राम देख रहा था, यू शेयर्ड अ पोस्ट जहाँ पे रिव्यूज़ आए थे आपके लिए, आप फॉर योर कैरेक्टर, फॉर योर परफॉर्मेंस, बट एक्सेप्ट फॉर द सोशल मीडिया पार्ट, फेस टू फेस फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली या कोई भी हो इंडस्ट्री में, जिनका एक बेस्ट रिएक्शन आपको लगा आफ्टर वॉचिंग द सीरीज?
One of the things that has also stayed with me is from one of my friends. He says that आप चाहे जितनी बड़ी सेंचुरी मारो, आपको अगला गेम 0 से शुरू करना है.
That's interesting.
Yeah. So it's a part of it. That's how you have to train yourself as an actor, and to keep delivering the best that you can.
मैं आपकी फिल्मोग्राफी देख रहा था, जितने भी अभी तक हमने काम किया फ्रॉम 2008 टिल 2026, आपने स्पेसिफिक प्रोजेक्ट्स सिलेक्ट किए. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई फील. कुछ आप एक चीज़ देखते हो पहले कि दिस इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जब आप कोई प्रोजेक्ट चूज़ कर रहे हो?
I just look at my role, and I look at the journey that particular role has and the impact that it has. That is the only criteria that I have. Because see, if you have a journey, then you can explore yourself as an actor, and you can enjoy, and you can improvise, and you can contribute to a particular script if it has got a journey from point A to point Z, and that is what I look at, and that is my primary concern, and that's how I pick up my projects, and Taskari is one of them. Even Shadow Assassins is one of them. All of them, whatever I've done. So I like the impact that it has. I primarily choose it from the essence of this particular role in the script.
Yeah. अगर आपके पास एक ऑप्शन होता है, यू गो बैक इन टाइम, और जहाँ से आपने ये जर्नी आपकी स्टार्ट हुई है, एक एडवाइस अगर आपको खुद को देनी है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाइपोथेटिकली, क्या दोगे आप खुद को एडवाइस?
Honestly, I will not give any advice.
Okay.
If you want to make me up, then
it's up to you.
I will not give any advice, because I have totally enjoyed being the way I was, and I have totally enjoyed being the way I am currently. And it is always said that you are whatever you are because of the choices, not the choices that you have made, but the choices that you have not chosen. And I am extremely happy and extremely satisfied as a person, not as an actor, as a person, of how life has shown me ways and shown me different phases where I could grow into a person that I am, and I'm absolutely fine with the journey that I've had. I've been blessed with a lovely set of people, my parents, my family, my wife, my sisters, my friends, and now that the love that is finally showing up from the people, from the audience, and that's incredibly heartwarming and feels good.
तस्करी के बाद एक सबसे बड़ा मेजर चेंज अगर कोई आया है तो क्या है? कुछ any changes in your life?
No change.
No change?
No change is the only change. It is the same. My dreams are still there, intact. My passion and my intent to follow my heart is still there, and I'll keep walking the path that I am walking. I'm the way that I am.
Okay. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके, and all the best. आप जो भी काम करोगे, ऑलरेडी लोग आपको इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं, so thank you so much for the lovely performance.
Thank you.
And we are looking forward कि आप और भी जल्द season 2, season 3 या और कोई shows, movies everywhere. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
Okay.